I love doing school assemblies because every single time we start, I know there's something crazy that's about to happen. And I love those moments where you could just look out into the crowd and you could tell we're all having a good time in here. We're having a party. And then when the assembly starts, my goal is to make sure that not only is everybody having that good time, but everybody's leaving knowing that there's somebody that cares about them too. And it is one of the greatest parts of my job where I can sit back and I can watch students and faculty connect together for a real moment. And this is not about a subject in school. This is not about grades, but they're connecting together for a moment and saying, we're in this together. And whether it's from a teacher's perspective of, I'm here for you, or a student's perspective of, I need you. When I come to your school, the whole goal is to make sure that each and every person leaves that gym, leaves that auditorium, knowing that someone cares about them, and making sure that you and your students know we can do this together.
I just want to make sure that you remember one thing and one thing only. Don't give up. That's it. Don't give up. Matter of fact, turn to the person next to you, let them know. Don't give up. It does not matter who you are in this room. There's always hope.